Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install this update, that is KB5068221. So when you go to Windows Update, you don't see update when you click on check for update. To install this update, you have to use Microsoft Update Catalog. To use Microsoft Update Catalog, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. And on this website, write down the name of the update over here, that is KB5068221, and then click on search over here. Now over here you will see the update. Now you have to check which what kind of system you have. You can go to settings and then go to system, and then you can go to about option, and here you can see it's x64 based system in my case. So for me it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system, and this is for server and this one is for ARM64. So this is the right one for me, Windows 11 version 24H2 for x64 based system. Click on download. Now over here click on the update Windows 11, that is KB5068221. click on it and let the download complete. So once the download is complete, you can run this file. Just click on it. Now over here you can see preparing installation, so let it complete. Now here you can see prompt, do you want to install this update? Click on yes and let the process complete. Now this process will take some time, and over here you can see it's installing the update. Let the install complete. This will take some time. Now once the download is complete, here you can see installation complete. You restart your computer. Restart is a must, so click on restart now. Now after the system restart, you can go to Windows Update in Windows settings and then go to update history, and you should be able to see this update KB5068221 installed on your computer. So this is how you can install this update on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.